Gabriel, what is it? What do we see?
Fall.
Yeah. Waterfall. Waterfall. Where are we? Okay, let's go back to the trail. Should we go back to the trail?
Fall.
Yeah, there's the waterfall. Do you want to say bye-bye?
Trail.
Trail. Let's go back to the trail.
Fall.
We saw the waterfall. Are we going to go back to the trail?
Trail. Fall.
Oh, do you want to see the waterfall over there? Can you see it from there? A little bit. A little bit. It's not easy. Do you want to come over here to see it?
Fall.
Yeah, waterfall. How's that? Now can you see it?
Right there.
Right there. Now you can see it. Right there.
Trail.
Trail. Should we go back to the trail? Let's go back to the trail. Maybe we'll see the waterfall again later. Let's keep going. Let's go on our hike. You want to say bye-bye?
Fall.
Waterfall. Let's go back to the trail. Come.
Fall.
Yeah, we saw the waterfall. We heard the waterfall and then we saw it.
Where's it?
Yeah. Where's the trail? Where's the trail? Where's the trail? Here it is.
Right there?
Yeah, right there. We're back on the trail. Are we on our trail?
Whoosh.
We're in the woods.
Fall.
We saw the waterfall.
River. What's that? Fall. Fall.
Yeah, the waterfall is back there. You're right. You're right. I just about can't hear it anymore. Bye-bye, waterfall.
Where's stream?
Oh, should we go back to the stream? I think the stream is this way on the trail. If we keep walking on the trail, we'll find the stream. Should we go there?
A fat stream.
Yeah, let's go.
Fall.
Yeah, we found the waterfall. The little stream goes to a waterfall. Say bye-bye.
Bye.